Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it if you are not getting any sound through your headset on PS5. First, open the settings menu using the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and select sound, then go into audio output. Now check the output device section and make sure you can see and select controller headset. If controller headset isn't showing up at all, your PS5 probably isn't detecting the headset. In that case, check the connection and make sure the headset is plugged into the controller properly. If you are using a wired headset, unplug it and connect it again, then check the audio output menu once more. And if your headset still isn't being detected, try connecting it to another device like a phone or PC. If it doesn't work there either, there's a good chance the headset could be the problem. Next, scroll down in the audio output settings and find the output to headphones option. Make sure this is set to all audio and not voice chat audio. After that, go back to the sound menu and select volume. Here, check the headphones volume and make sure it's turned up. Also, if your headset has its own volume wheel or buttons, make sure the volume is turned up there as well. If you are still not hearing anything, there's one more thing you should check. Go back to settings, then open accessories and select controller. Look for the DualSense wireless controller device software option and make sure your controller is running the latest software. An outdated controller software version can sometimes cause problem with devices connected through the controller. Once you have checked all of these settings, try your headset again and see if the sound is working normally. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.